Today we are introducing a new important research initiative that is Quantitative Insights that we are adding to the Baymard Research Catalog. Quantitative Insights are insights that mainly aim to unpack and deep dive into what are the high-level user behaviors and user preferences when they look for products and services on your website. So let's take an example of a collection of quantitative insights. Let's say you work for a site that sells electronic products. So we have a collection of Quant Insights that only relate to electronic products. And your specific task by your roadmap or stakeholders is to look into what kind of filtering options and general shopping behavior do users express. Well, one of the Quant Insights that immediately meets the eye is that brand is a reasonable factor for some users in electronics, but most, when looking for electronic products, they actually shop across multiple brands, or rather they try to compare at least 2 or 3 different brands. So the Quant Insights will give you answers like that. What are high-level user behavior and preferences within a given industry or for a certain product type when shopping online. But more importantly, what we have done is that we have summarized into what does this then actually mean? What are the key findings from this? But also what are the actionable insights? And these actionable insights we have then interlinked with Baymard's existing research catalog that consists of 200,000 hours of research on what UIs actually are best practice, what UIs have the least amount of friction and the highest amount of user satisfaction. These actionable insights then take the key findings from the Quant Insight and say, well, how do you then go about implement this and actually use it? So from this, it's obviously clear, this particular insight, that some users, a significant portion of users, will actually look at multiple brands when looking at electronic products. That means features like comparison tools, what information you include on your product listing pages, and what type of brand filter options you have become very important. These are areas that Baymard already have a lot of existing qualitative research insights on. So this is our UX guidelines. So we think these Quant Insights is a very natural extension of our existing research catalog. They really help answer what are the high-level user behavior and preferences, which is often very good in stakeholder management. They would want to know, so you say we should improve our brand filters, but why? How many of our users are actually interested in that when looking for electronic products? Now you have the answers for that and can make more qualified UX and roadmap decisions along with hopefully better stakeholder management. So give it a spin. I hope that you'll find it valuable.